Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn Quranic alphabets from Alif to Jeem. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alif. Please read after me. Alif. 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 Our next letter is Ba. Please remember, Ba has one dot below. Please read after me. Ba. 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 Please remember, Ba has one dot below. Dots are very significant. Please remember, Ba has one dot. Ba. 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 Our next letter is Ta. Please remember, Ta has two dots on top. Please read after me. Ta. 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 Please remember, Ta has two dots on top. Ta. 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 Our next letter is Sa. Sa has three dots on top. Please read after me. Sa. 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 Please remember, Sa has three dots on top. And Sa has soft sound. Read Sa without whistle sound. Sa. 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 Our next letter is Jeem. Please read after me. Jeem. 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 Please remember, Jeem has one dot in middle. Dots are very significant. Please remember, Jeem has one dot. Jeem. 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 Our today's lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days, and we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any question regarding this lesson or previous lessons, please ask in comments section below, and we will give you quick answer, inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.